Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by prepping the wheel. Remove the valve core, check rim and tire, and apply lubricant to the bead so it slides. Once done, place the Motion Pro Bead Buddy head over the bead seat and engage the clamp so it grips the bead without twisting. You want the tool perpendicular to the rim. This ensures even pressure. Make sure the chain or strap is tight and the head sits in the bead valley, because a loose fit will let the bead pop out when you inflate. Now you seat the bead. Attach your bead blaster or compressor hose to the rim area and prepare a rapid flow of air. You want quick volume to push the bead into the rim hook, so set the regulator for volume rather than high PSI. While inflating, watch the bead rise around the rim. If it stalls, stop, reapply lubricant, and reposition the bead buddy. Once one side seats, deflate slightly, reposition the tool, and repeat to seat the opposite bead evenly around the rim. To finish, reinstall the valve core and inflate slowly to the tire's recommended PSI while checking for a uniform bead and no leaks. Once inflated, remove the Motion Pro Bead Buddy and spin the wheel to confirm even seating. If the bead won't seat properly, pause, deflate, add more lubricant, or reposition the clamp slightly toward the stubborn area and use short air pulses. This fixes pinch spots and prevents overpressurizing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.